Come on! I can't be friendly with you anymore. You're an embarrassment. You gotta be kidding me! Get out of my class. You're disgusting. I don't think that's legal. Now. Fine. No, it was my Crocs. I swear. That's it. I'm dropping now.